So here's my 2005 KX125. I just finished completely redoing this bike from the ground up. And you can see at the beginning of the video, the bike started out with no front wheel, no plastic. When I picked it up, it was missing a ton of parts. So my parts list for this was pretty long, but I'd have to say it turned out pretty awesome. I'm super happy with the way I got it turned out. Got a Lectron carburetor on it, Magura hydraulic clutch, the factory racing covers, the V-Force 3 reed valves, fathead racing head, had the cylinder machined down, a little higher compression, plus I got a higher compression dome in the head. Got brand new radiators, brand new flywheel, and I got a 7-ounce flywheel weight in there right now. And I've got an extra, I bought 2 extra flywheels that are different weights for different riding conditions. Brand new Pro Circuit exhaust, factory racing cover, and inside I've got a Wiseco clutch basket and new boss and new pressure plate. And fork caps. I am going to be replacing this master cylinder with the Honda one as soon as I can find one. That's the Magura hydraulic clutch. And I got my graphics from Decal Works. I absolutely love the Decal Works graphics. They're my favorite. Those guys there always treat me right. They always do a good job, and I'm always super happy with their product. And I got the carbon fiber fork guards for the top and the bottom. And I completely rebuilt the master cylinder and the caliper, put new pistons in it, new seals, new everything, new cables, rebuilt the front forks, new bushings, new seals, brand new handlebars, brand new top clamp, new lower clamp, new wheels, new disc brakes, new radiator hoses, all new nuts and bolts, new chain. I also rebuilt the rear caliper as well, piston and seals. And I just finished rebuilding the rear shock and re-shimmed it. I still have to order the right spring rate for me, but these AS3 levers are pretty awesome. It was a perfect fit. And actually, I found out on my other bike, my 2000, actually technically this one's a 98 motor in a KX250 frame, 2000 KX250 frame. But I did find out that this shift lever and the brake lever are identical to the 2005, which when I was trying to buy ones for my other bike, I couldn't find them. Well, now I know. So yep, this is it. This is the new bike. Can't wait to ride it. The motor is super crisp. I replaced literally every single bearing and every single seal inside the motor, and a brand new Lectron carburetor. I replaced literally everything inside the motor. It's got a brand new crank bearing seals, brand new cylinder head. I even bought a brand new shifter, the entire shifting mechanism inside. I bought the entire piece that new because the one that was in it actually had a small little crack in it. So it's a pretty big difference from what it looked like when I first bought it to now.